How to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets. Today, I'll show you how to sync Asana tasks with Google Sheets, perfect for project managers, team leads, or anyone who wants easier tracking and analysis. First, head to asana.com and log in. For speed, click Continue with Google and choose the account linked to your Asana workspace. Once you're in your dashboard, open the project you want to export. In the project view, find the Project Actions menu and click Sync Export. From the list, choose Sync to Google Sheets. Asana will generate a unique link. This is your bridge between the two platforms. Copy it. Now, open Google Sheets, paste the link, and Asana will pull in all your tasks neatly into a spreadsheet. From here, you can sort, filter, create reports, or share the data with your team. And because it's a live sync, updates in Asana can be reflected in Sheets whenever you refresh. And that's it, you've connected Asana to Google Sheets, unlocking a smoother, data-driven way to manage projects.